Breaking news coming in a shocking incident. A Trinamool leader has been caught on camera distributing checks to farmers with instructions to vote for the party. Mudassir Hussain, the Pradhan of Trinamool, ruled Panchayat in South 24th Paragana district of West Bengal, gave out checks to the farmers ranging from ₹2,000 to ₹5,000. Categorically stated that these checks are being given by Didi, and so you have to vote for us as we are giving the checks.
600 কৃষক পরিবার চেক পাচ্ছে মোটামুটি কথা চারটা কথা মাথায় রেখে দিতে হবে চেকটা হচ্ছে দিদি এবং দিদির এদি চেকটা দেওয়া হচ্ছে সেই সূত্রে মাথায় রেখে দিতে হবে আগামী যে লোকসভার ভোট প্রত্যেকের মাথায় রেখে দিতে হবে চেকটা দিচ্ছি আমরা ভোটটা আমাদের দিতে হবে এটা প্রত্যেকের যেন মাথায় থাকে পরিষ্কার ভাবে বলে দিচ্ছি না হলে আগামী দিনে আজকের এই জেরক্স কপি লিখছি আগামী দিনে চেক দেওয়ার সময় অরিজিনাল কপি কেটে নেব আইডেন্টি কার্ড মৃত্যুর পরে যে 2 লক্ষ টাকা পাওয়ার কথা এটা একটাই যেটা জেরক্স কপিটা দেওয়া হচ্ছে মৃত্যুর পরে যে 2 লক্ষ টাকা পাওয়ার কথা সেই 2 লক্ষ টাকা কিন্তু আর পাবে না খেয়াল থাকে জানো
I want to cut across to my colleague Manogya Loewal joining us live. Manogya, this completely flies in the face of the Model Code of Conduct. Has any action been taken yet?
Well, there is no political complaint that has been referred to, or not even the cognizance that has been taken by the Election Commission of India, especially in West Bengal. As of now, there have been series of meetings. But what is shocking and condemnable at ground zero on the kind of statements that this political leader from Gram Panchayat of Bhogali has made such statements, even up to the extent of stating that the money that is to be distributed or given authentically from the government of West Bengal if a person dies would also not be given, because the original ID cards of all the farmers who had arrived there to collect the checks that were being distributed by the Panchayat Pradhan, Mr. Hussain, in the entire village, where the entire village had come together. More than 100 families were there standing to collect the check of ₹2,000 or more. So that would, of course, was shocking enough on what was going out on ground zero. It's not just about elections, but also using the kind of state machinery wherever possible for electoral benefits.
All right, Manogya, thank you for joining us. We'll come back to you for more updates. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of news. For all the other updates, you can log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download our app. Do stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.